Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are always healthy. I am Novianti Dwi Wahyuni from class 2A Psychology at Trunojoyo Madura University. I will present a social campaign on the topic of mental health awareness. Watch the next video. What is mental illness stigma? Stigma is a negative attitude or idea about the mental, physical, or social characteristic of a person or group because they consider them different from many people in general. The stigma against people who have mental health problems in Indonesia is still very strong and has a negative impact on the recovery process and their quality of life. What are examples of mental illness stigma? Examples of mental illness stigma include when people make comments such as, "You're crazy, schizophrenic," or "You can't be depressed, you're so happy." Other examples include when a person with mental illness is made fun of or called with for seeking help. Stigma usually involves incorrect stereotypes. People with mental illness may be considered scary, comical, or incompetent. Why does stigma exist? Stigma happens from a lack of understanding of mental illness through ignorance and misinformation. It can also happen because some people have negative attitudes or beliefs toward mental illness. This can lead to discrimination. How does stigma affect people with mental illness? Dealing with the effect of being treated differently can increase feelings of isolation and make mental illness worse. Many people say dealing with stigma and discrimination is harder than dealing with mental illness itself. Stigma can cause people with mental illness to 1. Feel discriminated against, 2. Miss out on work or housing, 3. Be bullied or excluded from social groups, 4. Become a victim of violence, and last, feel unworthy. How can I deal with stigma? Here are some tips to deal with stigma. 1. Use facts. Mental illness is common and is not a sign of weakness. Learn some useful facts and figures and tell people about it. 2. Stand up to negative stereotypes and misinformation. Set the record straight when you hear false or negative information. 3. Join a support group. It can be useful to meet others in the same situation. Support groups often have resources that might help educate family members and others about mental illness. It's okay to feel unstable. It's okay to need help. It's okay to not look okay. Your mental illness is not a personal failure. Let's be more sensitive and maintain mental health together. That's the campaign I can convey. I hope it's useful and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.